Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go!
Hello you guys, my name is Barbara and I'm Brianna's cousin. I'm from Kansas, but I'm just visiting for Christmas. So, I thought I would make something special for Brianna since she's so nice to me. I thought I'd do something nice for her. She stepped out for the moment, so I'm going to make you something special. And that's going to be a casserole. Now, I noticed she had this Southern Living cookbook from 1986. And I flipped through it, and I cannot find me a good casserole. So, I'm putting that one aside. I was looking through this Coca-Cola one next, and I found me a good casserole that I want to try. And it's going to feed a lot of people. That's what we like to do in the South. We like to make a lot of food, so you eat a lot. So I found this thing called Company Eggs. Alrighty. Now, I thought it looked interesting because it had 12 eggs, some milk, some cream and mushroom soup, which all sounds good so far. And then they put Coca-Cola in there, and then some cheese. So, and then we're going to bake it all in a casserole dish tomorrow morning. So we're going to let this sit overnight. And it's going to marinate in all this goodness. And then we're going to cook it tomorrow. And then we're both going to try it. And we're going to tell you how it is. She has like all these fun contraptions that I just had to try out. She has this little can closer thingy. And eventually I can close my can. She also has these little guys hanging out. I don't know what they're for, but they're there, hanging out with me. Now, I don't know no magic, so I'm just going to pull out all the stuff that I need, and we're going to get started, okay? Okay, so I have a quarter cup of butter. And I'm going to start melting it in this giant pan. I'm going to crack all 12 of these eggs in this bowl. Where I live, we eat a lot of eggs because we have a lot of farmland. We have a lot of chickens, and chickens like to multiply. And they like to give a lot of eggs. So, we're just always eating them eggs. So maybe if this recipe is good, I'll start making it at home. Oh, Jesus. It splattered in my hair. That egg was a real squirter. Alright, let's keep this clean around here. We are our guests. Okay, I got all my eggs in the bowl. Now I'm going to take a half of a cup of milk. Got my salt and pepper ready to go. And we're going to whisk up these eggs. Does anyone else think it's weird that I have to scramble and cook these eggs before I put them in the casserole dish and cook them tomorrow? Put a little bit of your elbow grease in there. Okay. Let's get this in my pan. My butter has already gotten brown, but that just means more flavor. Am I right? Am I right or am I right?
Heck yeah!
Just go ahead and do some salt and pepper. Let me know in the comments if you like casseroles, or if you're from Kansas or from Nebraska like Brianna is. I mean, casserole's just a way of life down there. Just a little bit of egg in my hair. I'm doing this on like medium low, and I'm stirring it pretty frequently because I don't want it to stick to the pan, and I don't want it to burn it all. It's got to be nice and creamy for that soup and the Coca-Cola, you know. Okay, this is basically done, so I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to take some of this butter. We really like butter down there too. We use it in a lot of stuff. Also, I found this casserole pan. She must have just got, it says Brianna's Casserole. And I figured this casserole is going to be pretty kick-ass, so I'm going to use this casserole pan. Uh-oh. I'm going to break it in. Oh, no. Make sure you get this nice and buttery. Nice and buttery. All the way up the sides. Nice layer on the bottom. Oh yeah. Okay, so I gotta put these eggs straight into my casserole pan. Casserole pan. Spread this out as much as I can. Then I'm gonna take this can of cream of mushroom. We really like cream of mushroom too. Cream of mushroom, cream of chicken. Those are a staple in a southern household. We keep bottle openers on our keychains, don't judge us. We drink a lot of bottles. Now I just need a quarter cup of this Coca-Cola. I almost poured it straight into the eggs. I gotta pour it into my mushroom soup. And there's plenty left for me, that's great. I'm also taking this cheese. This brand of cheese, every time I get it and I rip it off, it's still sealed. So the recipe just said cheese, so I got medium cheddar cheese. Because it's a good medium. It's not too mild, it's not too sharp, you know what I mean? I need a half a cup of cheese. But we like to be generous with the cheese. So, good 2 handfuls. This might look weird, but I'm mixing it with a butter knife because it was right here. Okay, now that this is all mixed together, I have to just pour it right on top of my eggs and then just let it sit. I don't know if I'm supposed to mix it around. Maybe we will. So nothing burns, you know what I mean? I think we will give it a little mix around. After all, it is a casserole, not a 7-layer bean dip. Okay, you guys know the secret to any good casserole is you gotta shake it until everything's even. So now, nothing else goes on top. Maybe some plastic wrap. And then we're gonna let it sit in the fridge overnight. It says 6 hours, but tomorrow morning's a little bit longer than that. So we're gonna let it sit longer. But coming back tomorrow morning. Trying this thing out first thing in the morning. I'll see you then. Well, alrighty, casserole on a Friday. I hope you slept well because it's the next day. Now, I've already been baking this at 300 for about 40 minutes. So it's nice and hot. I was thinking about sprinkling more cheese on top, but I did not. I don't want to like stray away from the recipe and stuff. But you know what I did do? I made a piece of toast. So, let's go ahead and try out a piece of this egg casserole. It smells really good. It's nice and firm. Let me try it on a piece of toast. It smells mostly like cream of mushroom soup. I guess that's mostly what it tastes like too. It tastes like scrambled eggs, mixed with cream of mushroom soup, a little bit of cheese on top of some toast. Cannot taste the Coca-Cola, which I kind of wish I did a little bit, because it's part of a Coca-Cola recipe, you know. I think the Coke was just there so it could just like wet the soup a little bit and like get it more liquidy. Because I cannot taste Coca-Cola at all. I can tell you one thing though. Oh my God. This is really good. I like it a lot. And I think I might make this more often. It is kind of a lot of eggs, so I hope you have some kind of like church function or some kind of like Christmas function to go to with a lot of people. Because that was a whole dozen eggs. Well, alrighty, you guys. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm gonna go grab Brianna so she can try this for you guys and let you know what she thinks. So, thanks for letting me cook you guys some food. Hopefully I'll see you guys again. Hey guys, I just woke up. So my cousin told me to try this casserole that she made. She told me it's just eggs in it. But it tastes like there's more. This tastes pretty good. I'm trying it on this piece of toast. I see like mushrooms and cheese. Mmm. There's OJ here. I'm gonna have to have my cousin come visit more often if she's gonna make me food. This is pretty good. And she used my new casserole pan. That's exciting. Wow. Well, I hope you guys liked the video, whatever she made. I hope it was good. I hope she didn't say anything bad. So, alright. I guess I'll see you next week with another video. Hope you like and subscribe and all that stuff. See you later. Bye!